running. I gotta slam this down.
You from a balcony pulling the blue long chairs next to the ice chest of 2 grams in the blood that we just blew. Now I'm getting blown by a bitch who I don't know her name. Gold chain hanging, got a few in the room, but I don't know her house. Only grab her in the house cause I shine so bright that I wanna blind you. Who knew young snow but didn't know that the summer is true. Cold as a polar bear, chillin' with thunder instinct. I'm surrounded by 2 lives, got me about 2 clips, got me about 2 strips. Still up with docs, smoke covers all around my fucking body. I murdered this bitch named Mighty, yeah, I shot him. We got the shovels and we digging all night. Booyah in the caddy, told him shine the light bright cause I'm digging it. Marcus, what was a good day has turned into the usual. Bagging no black like a funeral.
Cops shoot a motherfucking 7. 6 bodies drop, but nobody with the heaven. Block stay high when I'm creeping with the weapon. Gotta keep the pills in me, all because of my depression. City of the crescent, riding with a Smith and Wesson. Got a motherfucker guessing when I hit him with the blessing. 2 shots to the dome, 6 shots in the chrome. All shot through your home, now that's a crime zone. SUICIDE, scarecrow creeping with Uzi. Lucifer, please come save me. Throw crucifixes at my feet. Walking through the depths of hell, watching as the ocean swell. Grapevine now, that's Los Cartel. Nothing but death in every cell.
Nice.
Yeah. She too deep in the flask. Drinking and thinking gon' lead to a bad decision. Deja vu, I've been through it with you multiple times on many occasions. Contemplating vacating without you, I doubt you the one. I could be wrong, I could be sprung, I could be dumb, I could be dumbfounded, well-rounded. Plus the heck ain't therapeutic. She knew it, she blew it like Nintendo. You heard me, sum me up but a Kirby. My dick game on me strong. My only hope is my song go on for long. This life ain't promised. What do you accomplish? What you think about inside of your apartment? You working for nothing, you worthless, bitch. Yeah.
That just mean he got saggy balls because he's 50 years old.
That just mean he got saggy balls because he's 50 years old.
This is Barrett sound.
I just crashed it. I'm logging off. I'm getting off tonight. I'll see you guys later.
We don't got 2 helis.